What is up everyone, I am back once again, and we are playing some more Amnesia The Dark Descent. Okay, so where did we left off? Where did we leave off? What do you say? I don't know. What is down here? Storage. The thing cooled mist brushed his face as he stepped outside. London weather could be cruel, but it was the kind of cruelty he could handle. Okay. I wonder if those sentences has anything to do with the story at all. So what is down here? The darkness in the storage feels strange and unnatural. Okay. Is there oil? Tin box. Oh, what is this? Drill part. Whoa. Okay, calm down, calm down. That's not good. What is this for? Part of a broken hand drill. Okay. Where did he go? Where did he come from? Where did he go? Where did he come from? Can I go? How much oil do I have? Ah, not much. Fuck. This is bad. Please. I need oil. Please, 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 please. No! I need oil! Damn it, give me oil! God damn it. The hell? Tin boxes. What is this? Picked up drill parts. Some items can be combined in inventory. You drag and drop one item onto another and attempt a combination. Okay, we need all the parts. But I need oil. I'm gonna run out. I don't need tinder boxes. I need the oil. Can't see shit now. Yes, oil! And don't quite know the name. And I don't care. I just care about the oil. So let's go here. Oh, a note. Regarding explosive mixture. Alexander, I have prepared the explosives you needed for clearing the fluid drain. I can't stress enough how important it is that the mixture is handled with care. Please try to tell your feather-brained servants this before you go ahead with your plans. The liquids are not by themselves explosive and should be kept separately to avoid further mishaps. Separated. I have arranged 2 large vats in the next room for the ingredients. All you need to do is to mix the liquids and you are ready to go. Agrippa. But then they're gonna be explosive. What if they explode by accident? I need oil. What is this bug? Is this where I came from?
Please, let me go. I won't tell anyone, I swear. I just want to go home. No! Get away from me! Leave me alone!
The hell? They're raping everybody up in here. Hide your kids, hide your wife. It couldn't have been Shrek. He only goes for males. The rubble from the cave-in is hindering further passage in the storage. Find a way to get through. Yeah, we can use the explosives, but we need to mix them first. How can we do that? Can we combine these now? No, we need one more. Where is that one though? Wait, what? I thought I had two of these. Did I use one accidentally? Is that where I came from? I don't even know anymore. I don't know where I'm supposed to go either. I guess we're going back. Shut up, please. Oh, did I see something? No, I guess not. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. I really need oil. He climbed out of bed and looked out the window. It was completely dark. He waited and glanced at the old clock and waited some more. 4 o'clock, he thought. It's enough. What? How many do I have? 13, okay. Not bad. Have we been over there? Either way, let's look up here first. Oh, what is this door? I haven't seen this kind of door before. Guest room. Herbert's trunk was wrapped in rope. The lock had been broken by thieves, he assumed. He wondered if anything had been left, considering all the hands it had passed. Whoa, why did everything move?
My journal is gone. What they want with my journal?
Wouldn't it be fun if he made a mess looking for the journal, while they only came and didn't make any mess and just took the journal? Ooh. A little rabbit, eh? Somebody once told me that rabbits ain't good. Okay. Note.
2nd of July, 1839. I received a letter today from the Algerian governor's office disclosing the fate of Herbert's expedition. About a week after my departure, Abdullah, one of the men traveling with us, returned from the desert. He was badly injured, as if maimed by a lion. The man rambled deliriously about the expedition being attacked by something horrible.
Was he one of those monsters we've seen?
Quickly dispatched a search party to look for the expedition. After searching for days, they found the camp abandoned without any trace of Herbert or his men.
Damn.
Tomorrow, I'll retrieve the things they recovered from Herbert's tent at the customs house. I don't know what to make of it, but I'm worried for him.
It would be too.
This shouldn't be.
Who said that? Did somebody else say Mr. B? What the fuck? Why? And who? And where from? Oil. Good. The door is stuck due to a broken lock. The lock is broken. Find another way to open the closet door in the guest room. Okay. Maybe we can break in with this. Hollow needle. Let's try it. Nah, okay. Too bad. I guess it only works on locks, like directly big, large locks that hang on the door. Crowbar. Well, that could work too. Let's look everywhere before. Keep that open just in case. And let's read the note.
3rd of July, 1839.
Or not.
Today I picked up Herbert's things at the customs house. I dug through the trove of documents he had carried and found a log detailing the expedition. The nature of this text ranged from quick notes to colourful accounts of transpired events. I skimmed the pages, trying to figure out what might have happened. May 17th, the day I was trapped inside the orb chamber, Herbert dryly states, "Recovered Daniel after 1 hour of entrapment." This confused me greatly. I was suffocating within minutes. How could I have lasted an hour? I continued reading the peculiar text. Herbert states his facts without judgment or passion, but suddenly I could read frustration into his text. He pushed his men to investigate the underground tomb, an effort which seems to have strained the minds of his men. Madness spread through the ranks, and Herbert had to take some extreme measures to continue. He finally visits the chamber himself, where he retrieves the orb to the surface.
Okay.
His account confuses me greatly. If he has the orb, what are those pieces in my drawing room?
Oh shit. Maybe there's 2 orbs. Or maybe one's a fake. Or maybe one's more powerful. Who knows, who knows. Let's use the crowbar. Hopefully we won't lose it, because that wouldn't make any sense. And it breaks, and we lose it. Okay.
The key. Please, let it be here.
Must have been a weak crowbar. An important key is hidden in the guest room. Huh, okay. Hell no. Hell to the motherfucking no. Oh my god. I can't see it. Whoa, what is this? Oh, I thought it was a lever or something. It's just a coat hanger. Let's close this door just in case. What the hell was that? Oh!
Thank God, there it is. I guess it is a good place to hide it then.
Huh. Okay. So, a key. Cool. Does it say something on it? Nope. Machine room key. Why the hell did There's a ghost here. There's gotta be a ghost here.
4th of July, 1839. It's done. The orb is assembled. I was awakened by an exhausting nightmare. Shaking and sweating, I retired to the drawing room with a cup of tea. The relic pieces lay spread across the table as I'd left them, but somehow I knew how it was supposed to be. I fetched the tar, which I had prepared to fix the
And you don't think
together,
that's suspicious?
and without fault, I joined them, producing the orb I remembered so clearly. The tar proved unnecessary. It was pushed out from the joining pieces as they merged on their own, with no adhesive. The ancient stone relic now rests on my table. Its immaculate surface and perfect shape could have been molded by a factory. This is all too strange.
Yes, it is. So what now? We get a key. Machine room. Have we been there? I don't even know. I think we were... Oh, Sir William Smith. Okay, that is not a good sign. Sir William Smith had been marked. There was no way for him to know that the young man from the other day cast such a terrible shadow. What? Oh, what the fuck? That's a huge torso. Who the hell managed to kill somebody with this size? Holy shit. And to this extent. It's kinda like his arms got ripped off while his head got cut off. However, his stomach kinda like got grinded off or something. Anyways, what is this place? Study! Oh man, do I have to? Professor Taylor was the second death caused by his damned curiosity. Okay. Curiosity for what? Sorry guys. Just a bit tired. Let's light this. Nothing here. What's making that noise? What the fuck? Is that what's making this noise? Oh my god, I think it is. Are you kidding me? Oh my. The hell is this thing?